Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the second part of the poem The Sower. First we will do some brainstorming activities. There are number of challenges a farmer in India faces. Discuss with your friend how it is possible to improve the condition of farmers. In one column challenges are given and in another column solutions are to be given by you. The first which done is for you. Water scarcity, rainwater harvesting is the solution. Credit and indebtedness. Farmers always fall into debt. They have to take tremendous loan and they are not able to pay or repay the loan. So what is the solution? The solution is providing subsidies and waiving loans. Government should give subsidies to the farmers or just waive the loan, completely stop the loan recovery. Second is land issues, and the solution is watershed management and soil erosion. Then climatic changes, you can give the solution providing insurance protection. Social groups should not put pressure on farmers. The lack of advanced technology, what should we do? What are the solutions? Modern technology should be made affordable to farmers because farmers are so poor that they have to depend on bullocks, that is bulls and other animals to do their farming. They don't have their modern technology to do the farming. Then diversification, the solution is to reduce dependence by insurance and market risks, because if the farmer gets surplus crop, surplus food, but as the market price is very low, he will not get enough profit. So regularization of prices means the government should regularize prices of the crops. So these are the solutions you can give. Other solutions also you can give. Write an appreciation of the poem. Dear students, pause this video here and write down all points with their explanations as an appreciation of the poem, because there will be a question in your final exam. Write an appreciation of the poem. So here we will see the appreciation of this poem. The title of the poem, The Sower. The Sower is a poem about the hard work and persistence of the sower, continuity of the sower. He works tirelessly and restlessly. The title represents the central character of the poem, that is the sower. Sower means farmer. Then what is the theme of the poem or central idea of the poem? The theme of the poem revolves around the act of sowing seeds by the sower. The poet observes him and begins to reverse him for his noble actions. So this is the central idea or theme of the poem. What are the poetic devices or figures of speech used by the poet? Alliteration, hyperbole, inversion, personification, repetition, and synecdoche are the poetic devices used by the poet. The special features. What are the special features of the poem? The special features of this poem are the exact translation of the lines from French by Toru Dutt. This poem is translated by Toru Dutt and she has kept the originality of the poem intact. Means while translating the poem from French to English, she has not changed the original meaning of the writer expected. So this is the special feature. What is the message here? What message does the poem give us? The poet gives us a message that we should value the hard work of the farmer. It is the duty of every member of the society or every citizen of the country to give proper importance to the work done by farmer. One should keep working with a positive attitude in life. We will get the positive benefits of our hard work. My opinion. In your question paper, the point will be your opinion. As I told you in other poems also, you should write my opinion. I think the work done by the farmer is very noble. We should give respect to him. The government should provide subsidies and loans at low interest rates. This is my opinion. Unless the government gives subsidies or provide more facilities to the farmers, farmers' life will not improve at all. If we want to uplift their life, if we want to bring these farmers to at our level, government has to do something to improve the life of the farmers. Then summary of the poem. The poem centers around the act of sowing by the farmer. He sows the seed tirelessly despite having seen many hard harvests. Still an optimist, Ashavadi in Marathi, he hopes for the good harvest each time he sows the seeds. The poem is an ode to the sower, that is, poem sings or praises the sower, whose noble actions make him the receptor of the poet's admiration. The tone of the poem is optimistic because farmer after sowing the seed is expecting surplus crop, surplus grain, and he also expects better price for his crop. So he is optimistic. The poem is in optimistic and complimentary. The central idea of the poem is that the dedication, त्याग, commitment, त्याची ध्येय निश्चिती, बांधिलकी, commitment and perseverance, चिकाटी and hard work, one can achieve anything in life. One should be always optimistic in life. This is the summary of the poem. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. I think you have understood it. Please, whatever important points are given in this video, please write all these points in your notebook and again watch the first video, first part of the poem. In the first video, definitely you will understand it. Let us stop over here and wait for my next video. Please like this video, subscribe the channel so that you will get new notifications and new videos. Bye bye. Have a nice day.